Camille, and I want to welcome you to my palace. Today at the palace, we have a vision wall video for you guys. I'm going to show you how to do a vision wall. I thought now would be a great time to do a video like this because it is the top of a new year. It's very similar to a vision board. I simply just use a wall, but if you want to do a board, you can do whatever you want. But on how to do it, stay tuned, keep on watching. So be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. And on to the video. Alright, so I started by working in Canva, creating something where I can write a list for my goals for the year and then a list for my goals for the month. Starting out with January, and then I'll change it and put up a new one each month all the way until December. And then in Pages, I also open up a blank sheet and I just take photos that of stuff that I want on my vision board. So maybe goals, something visual that inspire me, whether if I have a money goal. Of course, y'all gonna know I'm gonna have a YouTube goal, and then other things that it may be. And we're gonna use all of these photos, print this out, and put it on our vision board. Alright y'all, so the purpose of this video is not for me to share my goals, but to show you how to do a vision wall. So I am going to blur out all of my goals. Alright y'all, so this is like a vision wall of mine that is so old. This stuff been up here for a minute now, and y'all can tell it's kind of coming off the wall. And it's time for me to refresh, revamp, put new goals up there. I'm going to try to focus on monthly goals as well as yearly goals, and having those small monthly goals so that it allows me to be able to complete my yearly goals. And then I also have a calendar in the middle, so I'm going to go ahead and like write in January and whatever I got going on in the month of January. All right, y'all, so this is a completion of my vision wall. Basically, just to give you guys a breakdown of the wall, I have my goals for the year and then the goals for the month. And like I said, my monthly goals are going to help me get to my goals, my overall goals for the year. And then the pictures here is just a good visual representation. So when I look at this every day, it's like, okay, this is what I'm fighting for. This is what I'm trying to get. This is the goal, what I'm trying to get to for completion, basically. So a reminder, just a small reminder. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the end of the video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Help me get to my goals. And be sure to do your own vision boards, vision walls, whatever works best for you. And until next time, bye guys.